Airlines won't admit it, but there are secret benefits under your nose, and most flyers are unaware of them. From receiving the whole soda can rather than a minuscule cup to surprise bonus meals, or even taking a photo in the cockpit, these little secrets have the ability to totally transform your flight. Welcome back to Fly Smarter, the place where we reveal the secret universe of smarter, cheaper, and simpler air travel. Today, I'm sharing 12 things flight attendants actually want you to ask for. And let me tell you, number 7 is the one you'll be glad you knew years ago. Before we fly, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell because we post new travel hacks every week. Now, fasten your seatbelt because these tips are about to make your next flight far more comfortable. Number 1. Seatbelt extenders. Ever felt your seatbelt was a little too tight? Whether you're pregnant, wearing a thick winter coat, or just need a bit more room, flight attendants always carry seatbelt extenders. Here's the tip. You don't have to be embarrassed. Just politely say, "Could I please get a seatbelt extender?" They'll give it to you quietly. No comment. I've watched fellow passengers suffer through entire flights in pain when this easy solution was an option the whole time. Number 2. Additional comfort items. Cold or having trouble sleeping? Request additional blankets and pillows. Most planes have extra supplies beyond what they dispense at the beginning. Some have even amenity kits with eye masks, socks, and earplugs. Just ask. Worst they can do is refuse, but you'll be amazed at how often they comply. Number 3. First aid and medical assistance. This one might save your day or your life. All planes have a first aid kit stocked with painkillers, motion sickness pills, and bandages. If you feel ill or dizzy, make it known to the crew immediately. They're prepared to assist and would far prefer to do so ahead of time rather than face an emergency in flight. Number 4. Full cans and extra drinks. Let's discuss beverages. You know when they fill only a bit from a can into your cup? Next time, just say, "May I have the whole can, please?" Most flight attendants will be more than happy to give it to you, particularly on long-haul flights. It's a modest request, but it will make a huge difference. Number 5. Extra meals and snacks. Following meal service, airlines usually have spare meals, which need to be thrown away for safety reasons. If you still feel hungry, or your meal did not really hit the spot, just ask if there are any spares available in a polite manner. You may even receive a better meal or a second serving. Just be sure to inquire after the principal service is over, when the staff knows how much is available. Number 6. Special dietary accommodations. Even if you did not pre-order, some airlines have extra kosher, halal, vegetarian, or gluten-free meals on hand. If you are on a special diet, it is worth a try. Sometimes these meals are even superior to the regular ones, so you may strike gold. Number 7. Cockpit photos and pilot discussions. Now for one of the most thrilling benefits few passengers are aware of. If it's your first flight, a milestone trip, or you're just a plane spotter at heart, you can ask for a photo in the cockpit upon arrival. Here's how to do this. After the aircraft touches down, find a flight attendant and tell them, "I'm a big aviation fan. Would it be possible to take a quick photo in the cockpit?" If security rules allow and time permits, they'll often say yes. I've done this myself, and pilots are usually happy to chat about flying for a few minutes. Number 8. Wing pins and airline souvenirs. Many airlines still carry classic wing pins or small souvenirs like airplane trading cards. They're not only for children, adults can request them too. Just say, "Do you happen to have any wing pins or airline memorabilia?" It's a great way to commemorate your flight, and flight attendants like to share them with enthusiastic travelers. Number 9. Special occasion awareness. If you're flying to celebrate a birthday, honeymoon, or anniversary, let the crew know. Airlines will go the extra mile to make your day special. I've seen passengers receive desserts, champagne, or even seat upgrades, depending on availability. The key is to mention it naturally and politely, not as a demand. A simple, "We're celebrating today," can go a long way. Number 10. Seat changes and upgrades. Even after check-in, seat changes might still be possible. If the flight isn't full, ask to move to a window, aisle, or empty row. The optimal time to inquire is after boarding. when the staff is aware of which seats are available. I myself have gone from a middle seat to an entire empty row by simply being polite. And although upgrades into business or premium class are unlikely, being friendly and polite can sometimes work miracles. Number 11. Early boarding and special assistance. If you have young children with you, have mobility issues, or just need more time, request early boarding. Even if you did not buy it, airlines tend to be helpful. And if you are an anxious flyer, quietly inform a flight attendant. They are trained to offer reassurance and monitor you for the duration of the flight. Number 12. Connection assistance. If your connection is tight, inform the crew before arriving. They may be able to coordinate airport escorts or ground personnel to get you to your next gate more quickly, particularly in big or international airports. That rapid request can be the difference between catching your connection or sleeping over in an airport hotel. Here's the secret that makes all of those requests successful. How you ask is more important than what you ask for. Always be courteous, patient, and nice. Instead of "I want" or "I need," say, "I was wondering if it would be possible." That subtle change makes all the difference. Timing is also crucial. Don't request unnecessary items at takeoff, landing, turbulence, or emergencies. Wait for peaceful times when the crew is not occupied. That's when they'll be delighted to assist. And that's it. The 12 secret airline benefits most flyers never request. Flight attendants are usually more likely to say yes than you might think. You just have to know what to ask and how to ask for it. Now is my turn to hear from you. Which of these perks will you first attempt? Leave a comment below. Your experience could inspire someone else's next flight. And if you thought these secrets were helpful, wait until you see our next video, where I expose how to open free upgrades and secret airline hacks that can literally save you hundreds of dollars. That video is sitting here on your screen. Click it now. And as always, fly smarter, travel better.